Wondering what's actually in your water and what happens during a water test appointment? Whether you're dealing with hard water, bad taste, water stains, you probably want clear answers, not a sales pitch. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly what to expect so you can feel confident before we arrive.
Get Eco.
Hi, I'm Clayton with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. We help homeowners across Ohio understand the quality of their water and what, if anything, needs to be done. Here's what you can expect during a water treatment appointment. You'll get a confirmation text and email before your appointment, as well as a heads up when we're on the way. You will even get a picture of the tech coming to your home and see the tech's location in real time. If you notice issues like hard water, water stains, or unusual taste or smell, make a quick note and we'll ask about it when we arrive. When your technician arrives, we'll start with a few questions and have a conversation about any issues you have been noticing. If you're on city or well water, and if you've ever had your water tested before. This helps us focus on what matters most to you and for your home. Next, we test your water. At Eco, we test your water for all of the following: pH levels, alkalinity, hardness, the total iron, ferrous iron, which is dissolved iron in your water, ferric iron or oxidized iron. This is what causes red or orange staining, copper, nitrite. This is usually associated with contamination, nitrate, which is often tested for agricultural contamination. In most cases, we can show you the results right there and explain what they mean in a way that is easy for you to understand. Once we have the results, we'll walk you through them clearly. If there's any issues, we'll explain what's causing them, how they affect your home, and what your options are. That might include water softeners, water conditioning systems, or other filtration solutions. But the goal is to give you information, not pressure. If you decide to move forward, we'll explain what system fits your needs or wants, where it would be installed, what the process and timeline looks like, what to expect upon installation. An additional water quality test is performed after installation to show you the benefits of the system operating properly. And if you're just gathering information, that's completely fine too. We'll leave you with clear answers. Before we leave, we'll answer any remaining questions and make sure you understand your water and your options. If you're dealing with hard water, water stains, or just want to know what's in your water, you can schedule a water test with our team using the link in the description below. You should never have to guess about the quality of water that your family and pets are drinking, what your skin is absorbing, or what's entering your home's system. Now you know what to expect during an in-home water quality test with Eco. Thanks for watching.